So, all right, guys, this is messenger rooms, and this is cool. Yeah, excellent. Yeah. So this is messenger rooms. I'm just trying to test some things out. So once you get into the messenger room, you can actually get started from your messenger. You'll be able to add your friends. You can have all your friends. You can select some, and not everybody. And again, you'll be able to have a link like this, which you can send to email or send to them. Copy this and send to people. Uh, One good thing about this, you'll be able to share your screen. I love that. So I click my screen now. I can go to the Chrome or anything or entire screen application on the desktop and just go there and share it on the WhatsApp. So you see that and go through this. If I'm done with that, I can actually stop it. This is some of the features that are actually missing from Facebook Live before. So this is good for Messenger. Not only that, I can turn on my video if I want to, right? Can mute my microphone while the meeting or anything that you want to do this for is going on. Let me see. I can send a request call. So on this request call, you can actually lock the room to prevent anyone else to join other people. You can see. So if I want to lock the room right now, so for example, if you said the meeting is 3 p.m., anybody that is coming after 3 p.m. will not be able to join, so you can lock them out, right? So you see people here, you see settings, you can end the room. You can also add other people. You can share the link. So let me share the link to someone right now. Let's copy this link and upload this first. Then let me share my screen so that I see the way I'll post it to someone. I'll post this link to Joshua right now. I'm on my Facebook right now. So I just click Messenger. I want to send it to the person across Messenger. I can send it to anyone. I can send it to the person across either WhatsApp, any platform. So just a link. So I just sent the link to him now. Let's wait if it has received it. Then I'll stop my screen.
I can turn on my mic.
Yeah, it's on now.
I can decide to add effect. I can decide to choose a background.
Go ahead and choose that.
So I'm loading one.
All right.
You see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's coming up.
So
wow.
So yeah, I'm on the desert.
Come on.
Go play with you in the sun. Okay, let me go to a very nice place.
Okay, do that. So again, maybe you are in the market or somewhere that is not so nice. You can just change your background. Yeah, I love this. Come on. This is cool. Mm-hmm.
So I can actually work on my lighting.
Wow.
Also.
Wow. Yeah.
So I can decide to stop.
Okay. That's good. So as the host, you can click on all the participants here. So
I can turn on my camera too.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I can see that you have turned off your camera. And as a host can click on all the participants right now and remove anyone that is trying to act funny. Anything can happen. Yeah. You can just remove the person like this. If you are the host, you can lock the room. So when you lock the room, nobody will be able to join the room. Again, you have some additional setting here. You can end the room link. You can remove the all member and disable the link. So if you have shared the link before, it won't work again even if someone else click on the link. This is so nice.
So you can actually screen, do some other things while my video is on and you still see me.
Okay.
And I can also be chatting with you live on Messenger too while we're on the call.
Wow. Yeah. So all right, guys, this is Messenger rooms and this is cool. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. I have to rate this. Yeah. So I'm out of the room right now.